It's time to go. Way better than KLR. Ouch. We'll have to turn around. Lovely, lovely, lovely bike. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today is a little special day in a different place. So I finally reached KMoto here and we're gonna test this baby, which is Aprilia Tuareg 660. The simple version, not the rally one, but that will be enough for now. So 660cc, adventure bike, 270 crank if I'm right. Kinda like, you know, Italian Tenere 700. So yeah, let's start the test ride. I'll give you my first impressions and let's enjoy the day at KMoto. It's time to go. To start up this baby and go for a spin. Let's see how it purrs. Aprilia. Neutral. Let's start. Nice. Purrs like a kitten. My sports bike gloves. Aprilia 54 world titles. It looks so tiny compared to Donkey. Nice, I like it. I like it so far. And feels, well, and feels way lighter than the Donkey as well. That's really cool. I like the sound. Even though it's not the rally. Okay, now we're on the explore mode. Let's try with urban first. To get to know the bike. We'll see how it goes. Standing position, way better than KLR. I like it. Brakes, way better. Rear, way better. Okay. Let's see. Could it be my next adventure bike after the Donkey? Ooh, has some grunt for sure. Okay, and it's still an urban. Let's set the mirrors right. Okay. And no quick shifter if I'm right, but that's okay. Let's go, let's go. It's kind of so nice when it's twin cylinder. No single cylinder buzz. Okay, that's very nice. The suspension is nice as well. Aprilia B Eraser. Okay, let's try another mode. I think let's try individual, explore, urban. Let's try explore. Okay, more lively. Turn signal. Oh, okay. Way more aggressive. You know what? It's like a very comfortable place to be, which is a very nice impression. Of course, a little bit of off-road. Yeah, but doesn't have the grunt like Tenere has from a low RPM. This one needs to spin a little bit, and then it goes well. But feels so light and nimble. Effortless pull, and we have a mini lake. It reminds me of Philippines, doesn't it? That's right. Let's see what off-road does. Rear ABS disabled. And it sounds really nice for Euro 5 standard bike. Actually, let's turn around. And the bike doesn't feel that high itself as the Donkey used to. Well, of course, better suspension and things like that. Oh, okay, off-road section. Perfect. Let's stand up and see how it goes. Rear brake in the right place. Very comfortable. Very, very nice. Okay. My GPS is down. Oh well. Let's take it off. I really like the suspension because like I think rally might be too harsh, but this one is nice. Yeah, so I don't know, feels comfortable. Seat feels comfortable. I don't know, everything's kind of nice. So far, really impressed. Very, very nimble, lovely. Really like it, really nice. Not as buzzy as a KLR, as a Donkey, but it has some buzz in the handlebars especially, but it's not that annoying. I don't know like how I would feel after a whole day riding it, but not too bad. I mean, I guess all bikes are buzzy in a way, but at the same time feels very sporty, so for adventure bike, I mean. Yeah, and all the fun starts after 4,000 RPM. Below, it's kind of like sluggish. It's okay, but like after 4,000, that's where the fun starts. Not bad, not bad. What I've noticed is that on a lower RPM, where there is not much fun, there's no buzz. But when you go over 4,000, then it's kind of getting buzzy. Well, let's take one of the dirt roads and explore a bit. Yeah, all the bikers say hi to one another in this place. And again, you can guess in the comments which country, which city it is, if you want to, of course. Let's stop for a second, turn around, see how the rear brake goes. Oh, that's nice. Let's turn around. Not many places for the drone shot, because forest is everywhere. Let's go here for a bit. Okay, the tire spins easily. Oh, spins really well. Let's check ABS. Okay, let's see. Yeah, plenty of power. Off-road. Yeah, and the spin star even more. And then no ABS. Yeah, no ABS. That's fun. Okay, I like it so far. Lovely. That's pretty cool. Ouch. It's kind of nice to have traction control, not to get into trouble. But of course, more electronics, more things to fix. Come on, give me fields. I want to take some drone shots. Okay. I asked, and I've been answered, I think. Oh yes, indeed. I think that's somebody's house. Okay. We'll have to turn around. So that's the only place where the road is leading to. Okay. Or maybe it goes by. Looks like it. Oh yeah, okay, that's even better. But the road ends here. Okay, nothing better. Let's turn around step by step and we're good to go. Okay, let's go. Well, I really like it. I really enjoy it. Really nice. Very comfortable. Nice engine. Okay, it's quite hot. Let's go back into the forest. Okay, forest, branches and stuff. Be nice. ABS brakes. How about front? Oh, front is good too. I like it. Okay, branch, sorry. Traction control intervenes quite a lot, but helps you out as well, not to get in trouble. Very, very nice, people. Hello, people. Lovely, just lovely. Okay, back on the highway, sort of. Very, very nice brakes. Stand up. Very comfy. Really, really, really good. And it's kind of less nervous than the donkey, which is very good. Well done, Aprilia, well done. I really like it, and I would really consider it for my next journey after the Philippine loop is over. But for now, I still have my donkey. Let's turn around. No elephant turn for now. Okay, let's go. Lovely, lovely bike. What can I say? I feel way better rider with it than with a donkey. Of course, that's an illusion, and I would get in trouble with it as well as I did with the donkey, but feels way lighter, way more nimble, and way more manageable. So yeah, very good impression so far. Okay, let's get back to the dealership. Here we go, back on the road, and let's head back to the dealership, because we're enjoying it too much and we want to be good with them because we want to test more bikes. Well, so far, first impression, really nice bike. Could it be the next one? Potentially. Very likely. At least it would be on my short list for sure, because it's a great bike. Yeah, like it can have, I guess, Italian gremlins, but well done, Aprilia, well done. Pulls well, maybe not from as low as Tenere does with its CP2 engine, but lovely. Here we go, traffic. Of course, it's Friday, so that's why. Thank you, gentlemen, who let me pass. That's why adventure bike is good. You can use these. Come on, Prius. What are you doing? Here we go. Thank you. And we're back at KMoto. Last turns. And our date with Aprilia Tuareg 660 is over. And we're back at KMoto, which is really good. Nice date, Aprilia, nice date. That was fun. Well, just got back to KMoto. Big thank you to KMoto and Tada's working here. And had a lovely date with this baby. So, Aprilia Tuareg 660. Lovely bike. And yeah, that's one of the contenders for my future adventures after I'm done with the Philippine loop, and we'll need to say bye to my donkey. Amazing, really cool, really nice bike. Yeah, so that's it for this time, and see you back on the road on the Philippine loop. See you there.